Okay, here we go.
We've been sweethearts for so long, but now you say we're through. The love we shared is just a memory. I had built a ship of dreams and planned them all for two, but now I guess what is to be will be. So I'll sail my ship alone with all the dreams I own, drifting out across the ocean blue. I'll sail my ship alone, though all the sails you've torn, and if it starts to sink, then I'll blame you. I'm just like a ship at sea that's lost without a sail. The storm clouds hide the sunny skies above, but even with these broken dreams, my heart will never fail, for deep inside there's only one true love. I'll sail my ship alone with all the dreams I own, drifting out across the ocean blue. I'll sail my ship alone, though all the sails you've torn, and if it starts to sink, then I'll blame you.
The bright sun is shining, the blue skies are pining. For want of some clouds or some ornamentation, the heavens are blazing, cows are grazing, and sit in the hill overlooking the bay. They're out in the ocean, the ships are in motion, from Killybegs harbour right down to Kinsale. Down in the harbour, the crowds they have gathered to watch the winds blow and the ships in full sail. Some men say for pleasure and others for treasure, and some do the wishing and some are the fishermen. One day you're making, you need no awakening to the dangers involved for the ships on the sea. They're out in the ocean, the ships are in motion, from Killybegs harbour right down to Kinsale. Down in the harbour, the crowds they have gathered to watch the winds blow and the ships in full sail. Seagulls are squawking, they seem to be talking of this grand sight, which seems oh so leisurely. Summer it's pleasing, and winter it's teasing, and storms will blow and the ships in the sea. They're out in the ocean, the ships are in motion, from Killybegs harbour right down to Kinsale. Down in the harbour, the crowds they have gathered to watch the winds blow and the ships in full sail. The ships are in motion, from Killybegs harbour right down to Kinsale. Down in the harbour, the crowds they have gathered to watch the winds blow and the ships in full